Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your network. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and faster than 3 Mbps so packets can reach the server. Next, force stop PubG Mobile Lite, then clear the app cache and app storage cache to remove corrupted login tokens. This often fixes auth failures. Once done, restart the phone to flush system network stacks and verify the game is updated. Outdated builds can cause protocol mismatches that trigger login failed errors. Now isolate the connection problem, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and try logging in to see if the issue is your ISP or router. Make sure the app has all permissions for storage and network. Denied permissions can interrupt token renewal. If you use VPN or a proxy, disable it because geo or port blocking often causes login failures. If blocking persists, change your device DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to bypass DNS filtering and retry login. If earlier steps fail, uninstall PubG Mobile Lite and delete its leftover folders to remove corrupted data. Then reinstall a fresh copy so you get a clean authentication flow. After reinstalling, try alternate login options like Facebook or Guest to determine if the account token is the problem. If you still see login failed, test on a different device to rule out device-specific issues. Troubleshooting tip: if login still fails, capture the exact error, take screenshots, and contact support with device model.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.